Sarah, and today I'm making lemon chicken. Let's get started. So I have here 500 grams of chicken. I'm going to marinate this. First, I'm going to add lemon juice. So I have this thing. This is a lemon squeezer. This is what I'm going to use. And I have my sister here as well, Samira. She's going to put it in here. So, yeah. As you guys can see me. Can you guys actually see it? Yeah, now you can. Okay, I think this much, a little bit more. Yeah, I think a whole lemon is good for this. Yeah, this much. So I'm gonna tell my sister to put this in. All of it. Okay. I'm gonna put salt because this is, you have to put the amount how much you like. Now I'm gonna put black pepper to do it like this. I'm gonna put a lot of this. This is hard. So that is a disaster happened all over the stove here. Now you're gonna clean it as fast as you can. Slowly take it out. Say thank you and namaste. मनीष के लिए लेके आई थी ना निशा ने कहा मैं एक चीज खाऊंगी वही सैंडविच लेके आई टर्की ससेज है तो मेरे बच्चा ने बॉयल किया हुआ खा लिया मैं खाऊंगा तो बोला डंक में चाय ना तो गुड बाय थैंक यू आपकी रेडी कलर बॉयल किया हुआ खा लिया
I can't do this. I can't.
Oh, can you do job? ऐसे करना है. Okay. Okay. Go. I'll do it. We have to do it.
No, don't touch it.
One last game.
You are also not coming now. आप उधर को जाके बैठो क्योंकि वो बंद हो गया already. Go, no, I'll tell daddy. आप टीवी में जाके देखो अभी. No, it's fine. Scarlett, get down. Go get ice cream. Cone. Go.
Uncle, can I say see you guys later?
Take that. Okay?
I'm just saying see you guys tomorrow because
Yeah,
it's a
say it.
disaster. Okay, guys, right now we did a mistake. We dropped all this.
Not all of it.
Not all of
Black
it.
pepper.
Black pepper. So we are ending this video right now, but we will show you when we are done. We promise. Right, Akka?
Yeah.
So look, all the mess. See? Black peppers everywhere, and yeah. So bye.